Welcome back to UK Autocar, where we bring you the hottest updates on premium motorcycles and performance machines. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory, one of the most exciting superbikes on the market right now. This Italian beast has received meaningful refinements for the new model year, building on its legendary V4 platform to deliver even more track-focused thrills while staying street legal. Let's start with the exterior new updates. Aprilia has evolved the iconic RSV4 design with a sharper, more aerodynamic look inspired by their MotoGP machines. The front features integrated winglets that are seamlessly blended into the fairing for better downforce and high-speed stability without disrupting the aggressive lines. The double-layer fairing improves airflow management, channeling air more efficiently around the rider and reducing turbulence. There's a revised tank shape for improved ergonomics, giving that race-fit feel with better freedom of movement when tucked in. New color options like Poison Yellow, Stingray Blue, or Shakedown Indigo variants make it stand out even more on the road or circuit. The overall silhouette remains unmistakably RSV4, sleek, purposeful, and intimidating, but these tweaks make it feel fresher and more modern for 2026. Now, onto performance, where this bike truly shines. The heart is a stunning 1099cc 65-degree liquid-cooled V4 engine, bumped up from the previous 1077cc for better torque delivery across the rev range. It produces an incredible 220 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute, making it one of the most powerful street-legal superbikes available. Torque peaks at around 127 Nm or about 94 pound-feet at 10,800 revolutions per minute, so you get explosive mid-range pull that launches you out of corners with ferocious acceleration. The ride-by-wire throttle is razor-sharp, paired with larger 52mm throttle bodies for instant response. Electronics are top-tier with the a-PRC suite, including adaptive traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, engine brake management, and a bi-directional quickshifter for seamless gear changes. The chassis balances perfectly, twin-spar aluminum frame, Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension front and rear for adjustable damping that adapts on the fly, and premium Brembo high-pure brakes with massive 330mm discs up front for confidence-inspiring stopping power. Maximum speed. In real-world testing and reviews, this factory model pushes well over 180 miles per hour, with some reports hitting around 189 to 200 mph indicated depending on conditions and gearing, truly a rocket on unrestricted stretches. Fuel average is typical for a high-performance superbike like this. Expect around 34 to 40 mpg, or roughly 14 to 17 km/h in mixed riding, though aggressive track sessions will drop it lower due to the focus on outright power over efficiency. Price update for the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory sits at approximately $26,499 United States dollars MSRP in key markets, positioning it as a premium choice against rivals but offering incredible value with its factory spec Öhlins, forged wheels, and advanced electronics included standard. In summary, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 Factory refines an already legendary package with smarter aero, a more potent 1099cc V4, and cutting-edge tech that makes it feel alive and connected whether you're carving canyons or dominating a track day. If you're chasing raw performance wrapped in Italian style, this is hard to beat. Let us know in the comments if you'd ride one. What's your dream superbike? Hit that like button, subscribe to UK Autocar for more reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one.